Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Analytics Dashboard 2026. In 2026, the TikTok Analytics Dashboard is accessible via TikTok Studio on both mobile and desktop. It provides a comprehensive set of metrics across four primary categories: overview, content, viewers/followers, and live. Now, to access the dashboard, all you have to do is go ahead and open your application. Then tap on your profile icon. Tap on these three lines or menu icon located on the top right. Then tap on this TikTok Studio option. Make sure that you have installed TikTok Studio app from your Play Store as well. However, it is not available in my region, but it should be in yours. And once you access it, you should be able to find options inside the TikTok Studio app like overview tab, a rolling summary of your account's health showing total video views, profile views, likes, comments, and even shares. Now, in content tab, you should be able to find detailed performance for individual videos from the last 7 to 9 days. This section is where you find average watch time, traffic sources, like For You page, search, or profile. Now, in Followers and Viewers tab, you should be able to find detailed audience demographics, including age, gender, and top territories. Crucially, it shows followers activity, revealing the exact times your audience is most active. And Live tab only appears if you have streamed in the selected period. It tracks the total viewers, peak concurrent viewers, and diamond earned. And that is how you can use this TikTok Analytics Dashboard to identify or study more about your content and your profile itself. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your content creation journey, and if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.